Moving to different types of viruses. You have four types of viruses: boot sector virus, program file virus, multi-partiate virus, macro virus. These are the four types. First, we will go to boot sector virus. What is meant by booting? Have you heard about booting? Booting means when you start the system, the first operation done is booting. Booting means it will start the operating system. It will collect all the information from the storage. So it will going to be ready. It is going to be ready for the working. So booting means starting the operating system. So boot sector virus means this type of virus infects the boot sector of a hard drive. So boot sector virus affects the boot sector of a hard drive. A disk or a hard drive comprises of smaller sections known as sectors. So a disk or a hard drive comprises of smaller sections. It is known as the sector, and the first sector in that is called boot sector. So in your disk or hard drive, there are many smaller sections, and that smaller sections is known as sector. And in that, the first sector is your boot sector. It carries the master boot record. So boot sector carries master boot record, which is responsible for the restarting and loading the operating system. So actually your hard disk or hard drive consists of comprises of many smaller sections, and each section is known as a sector, and the first sector is boot sector. Boot sector means it is a master boot record which is responsible for your restarting and the loading of a operating system. Boot sector virus become active at the time of booting the machine. So when you switch on the laptop or computer, booting process will be done. On that time, it will get affect your system. Examples are disk killer and stone virus. Disk killer and stone virus. Next one is program file virus. What is this program file virus? This virus infect the executable files or programs such as those with extension like .com, .exe, .ovl, .drv, .sys. So I said that boot sector virus will affect the boot sector of a hard drive. Here program file virus will infect the executable files or programs. It will infect the executable files or programs with an extension .com, .exe. So the programs with this extension will be affected by the program file virus. These programs get loaded in the memory during execution. So during execution, it will get stored in the memory. It will get loaded in the memory. This virus become active in the memory by replicating itself and infecting files on the disk. So what is it doing is, during execution it will get loaded into the memory, and after that in that time it will become active. When it get loaded into the memory, it becomes active and it start replicating itself. Replicating itself means it will duplicate itself and infect files on the disk. So when it get duplicated, many copies of this virus will be available. So it will affect all the files as in your disk. This is its action. It actually infect the executable files or programs with the extension .com, .exe, etc. What happens means, during execution, this programs will be loaded into the memory, and it will get active in the memory by replicating itself, that is by creating duplicate itself. It will become active in the memory by creating duplicate itself and then infect all the files in the disk. And example for this, Sunday and Cascade. It is very important to learn the examples with the definitions, because last time there was a question asking for the examples of different types of viruses by showing multi-partiate program file virus. Otherwise they will give the example and ask which type of virus is this. So you have to learn everything without a confusion. Next one is multi-partiate virus. A multi-partiate virus is a hybrid of a boot sector and a program file virus. It is a combination of both boot sector. Multi-partiate means it's a combination of both boot sector and a program file virus. The virus get enter into the computer system through some infected media and then resides inside the computer memory. So through some infected media, it will get enter into your system. Through some infected media, it will get enter into the system, and it will go inside into your computer memory, and it will be inside in your computer memory, resides in your computer memory. After that, this virus move into the hard drive. After that, it moves into the hard drive and start to infect the boot sector and start spreading itself. And after entering into the memory, it will move into the hard drive and affects the boot sector, and then start spreading itself. It will spread, that is replicate itself in the system by infecting the executable file. So it is a combination of both boot sector and a program file viruses. It's a hybrid or combination of both boot sector and program file viruses. This virus will enter into a system through a infected media, and it will resides in your, that is, it will goes into your memory. And what happens is, after that, this virus will be affecting your hard drive, move to the hard drive. After this, the virus will be moved into your hard drive and then affect the boot sector first. It infects the boot sector first and then starts spreading itself and affect all the files in your executable files is in your system. It will affect all the executable files in your system. An example is invader, flip, tecula, etc. Invader, flip, tecula, etc. Next one is macrovirus. Macrovirus. This virus infects the files which are created using such applications, software that support macros. So this virus, macrovirus, will affect the files which are created using the application macros that supports application or software that supports macros, such as Word, Excel and PowerPoint. We'll see what is this macro. A macro, underline this, a macro is a series of programming steps that allows automation of many actions with a single keystroke. Macro is a series of programming steps that allow automation of many actions with a single keystroke. That when you install, have you ever seen that when you install a CD or pen drive, it will automatically open all the things without your concern, because it is automatically, we are given permission to open that automatically. You have given permission to open it automatically. So when it install, it automatically opens the video or play the song. So a macro is a series of programming steps that allow automation of many actions with a single keystroke. When the infected document is opened, so a macrovirus will infect the files which are created using the applications, such applications or software that support macros, such as Word, Excel and PowerPoint. These supports macros. When the infected document is open, the macrovirus get loaded into the main memory. So when the infected document, the document which is get infected, when you open that document, the macrovirus will be loaded into your main memory. Once a macrovirus will get active onto your computer, every document you produce will become infected because it is loaded in your main memory. So once it get active, it will affect all the documents you are going to produce. Examples are Melissa, Relax, Bablas, etc. So once a macrovirus get active onto your computer, it will affect all the documents that you are going to produce. Listen it carefully. It will not affect the documents which is already there. It will affect all the documents that you are going to produce. Thank you.